Hey guys, it's Jody Lynn Kim
and Nicole Stockwell with the Whissel Realty Group.
and today we are so excited to bring you our newest listing
At 807 South Mollison Avenue, unit number 39 in El Cajon.
This beautiful townhome features 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths,
Fully updated kitchen with quartz countertops, your own private courtyard, and a 2-car garage.
Let's go inside and check it out. For more information on this property or any others, call me Jody Lynn Kim, 858-375-8885.
Or Nicole Stockwell at 858-412-0874.